Welcome back, guys. In this video we have been given a question to interpret the fillet weld in this particular figure, which is a T-joint given right on the screen. So first of all, what we are going to be doing is to know what each and every one of these our parameters actually mean. So for this particular 60 millimeter, this is actually the face. All right, this piece is the face of this particular drawing, and this 60 millimeter is going to be like the length of the fillet. All right, this is going to be like the length of the fillet. Then this 10 millimeter is actually the leg side, that is this particular place, and we also have 20 millimeter, this particular place, to be the throat. All right, the throat is going to be 20 millimeter. At times you can get it to be 10 by 20, like my former video I did actually on this particular topic. So now let's move straight to the symbol. Actually, we can also have it to be in this manner, but for this manner, this shows that it is in our fillet weld is going to be in the other side. All right, so this means that our fillet weld is going to be right here, but had it been we add it to be like this, that means it is going to be in the arrow side. We are going to be making our fillet right in this particular place. That is what this thing actually means. This fillet that is up, it means that what we are going to be making our fillet here. So let's move straight into the question. We have been given this base to be what, 100. This is 100 millimeter. So I'm going to draw my straight line like this. Okay, I'm going to mark 100. Now we are going to be interpreting it in what, 3 dimension. Okay, I have to interpret it in 3 dimension drawing, and we are going to be making use of oblique. Okay, oblique box. It's going to be an oblique box, that is, we are going to be making use of our 45-degree. Okay, so we draw this also. This is like this, like this. So the height here is what, 20. I'm going to pick 20 here. Okay, then join this. Okay, so now, like I said, we are going to make use of 45-degree. I'm going to pin my 45-degree set square, and what, just draw like this. Then from here also, I would also likewise do the same thing like this. So how do we calculate the length of this particular place? The length of this particular place is the length of the face, which is actually what, 60 millimeter. So I'm going to what, pick my 60. This is going to be 60. We are going to be erasing the xx of later. Okay, so we'll pick my 60 here, then I'll draw like this. Okay, now at this particular point here, we have to draw this place here. Okay, but before we draw that, let's join this part at the back. Let's join it together. Okay, let's just join this. We might actually have to erase it later, so just make sure it is in a thin line. Okay, now to draw this is 20 millimeter. This thickness here is 20 millimeter now, and it is given right at the center. So for this our block down here, it is actually 100. So I'm going to pick the center, which is 5. Okay, that's 10, which is 5. Then I'm going to pick 1 centimeter to the left hand side like this, then 1 centimeter to the right hand side, to make my 20 to be right at the center of this particular drawing. Now I'm going to draw a straight vertical line like this, then at this point also like this. Now we are given the height of that place to be what, of this particular thickness to be what, 80 millimeter. So I'm going to mark my 80. This is 80. Okay, stopping right here. This is 80 here. Now at that point of 80, I'm going to join it together like this. Now I'm going to do exactly what, the way I drew it here, I'm going to draw it also here. Okay, so this is it like this, then like this, likewise like this. Okay, so we are going to be what, measuring 60 here also. So this is 60. from here to this point is 60. Then we draw it upward, yeah, like this. Then we are going to be finishing this place also. Okay, so here we join this to this particular place like this. Now we are moving straight to the main business, which is actually drawing of this fillet, okay, of this fillet weld. Actually, like I said, had it been this particular place had been down, we are going to be drawing it here, but since it is here, we have to draw it at the other side. So if you were also giving it to be in this place and you were giving it like this, so you are going to be drawing it in this particular place. So that's that for that. Now let's move straight to the fillet weld, which is the bone of contention of this particular video. Now we have been given our leg size to be what, 10 millimeter, okay, and our leg size is what, is actually like the height. So I'm going to what, pick 10 here. This is 10. Now we have been given the throat to be what, 20. The throat is 20, so I'm going to pick what, 20 here. Okay, so this is 20. So what am I going to do? I'm going to join the two of them together like this. Okay, I'll do the same thing here also. This is 10 and what, and this is 20. Okay, so I'm going to what, join the two together like this. Okay, so at this point we join them like this. Then at this point also we are going to join them like this. So now what are we going to do next? We are just going to have this place shaded. You can just shade this particular place here. Ensure you dimension your work. Ensure you dimension your work when you are done with drawing. Ensure you dimension your work. So like this, because of time, I'm not going to be dimensioning this, and I wouldn't even want you to be wasting time on that on this video. So now what are we going to do? We are going to do our arching. We are going to be arching like this, in this manner. Please ensure you are not arching it like this. You just arch it in this manner like this. Just make sure the space between them is not too small and is not also too large, so you do it gently. Okay, so we are done with arching it. So this place is actually our fillet. Now we're taking out this all other parts. We are going to taking it out. We can actually erase this back here. You can actually erase it. That's why I said you should draw it in what, in thin line before, so if you are erasing it, it wouldn't give you issue. Okay, so we're taking out this part, we're taking out this part, then this part, and we erase this also. And you can actually watch the one that I did in which the arrow is actually facing here. I'll be dropping the link in the description below. So if you found value in this video, please kindly smash the subscribe button and share this video with your friends that might need it, or your classmates that might need it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.